Did you know that Australia once declared war on birds and lost? In 1932, Western Australia was under attack, not by soldiers, but by 20,000 emus. These giant, flightless birds were destroying crops, leaving farmers desperate for help. The solution? Send in the military with machine guns. It should have been an easy win, right? Wrong. The emus were too fast, too smart, and seemingly bulletproof. They ran in zigzags, making them impossible to hit. Some even took bullets and kept running. After weeks of battle and over 2,500 rounds fired, the emus were still standing, and the government had to admit defeat. That's right. The humans surrendered, and the emus claimed victory. To this day, the Great Emu War remains one of the strangest military failures in history. Would you have challenged the emus? Let me know in the comments.